Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're scratching your head over the F7E9 error code on your 2025 Whirlpool washer, you're not alone. This pesky error can halt your laundry routine, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down step by step in a way that's easy to follow. Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is the F7E9 error? In Whirlpool washers from 2025, this code typically signals a problem with the motor speed or communication between the control board and the motor. It might pop up due to issues like a faulty motor, wiring problems, or even a blockage in the drain system. Understanding this helps us tackle it head-on. Now, let's talk about the common causes. This error often stems from everyday wear and tear, such as a clogged pump, loose connections, or even power surges that disrupt the washer's electronics. If your washer is older or hasn't been maintained, that could be a factor too. Alright, time for some hands-on troubleshooting. Start by unplugging your washer from the wall for at least 30 seconds. This simple reset can clear minor glitches. Once it's plugged back in, run a quick test cycle to see if the error persists. If that doesn't do the trick, inspect for obvious issues. Check the drain hose for any blockages, ensure the washer is level on the floor, and look for any visible damage to wires or components. Safety first, though, always unplug before poking around. If you're comfortable with more advanced fixes, you might need to examine the motor connections or the control board, but this is where things get tricky. If you're not experienced, it's best to call a professional to avoid causing more damage. To keep this error from coming back, practice regular maintenance. Clean the filter every month, use the right amount of detergent, and don't overload your washer. These simple habits can extend your appliance's life. There you have it, your guide to fixing the F7E9 error on your 2025 Whirlpool washer. I hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.